Hi, do you want to become an effective leader or do you want to improve your leadership qualities? Then sign up for this leadership masterclass and don't worry, it is free. My name is Nilesh Waghchoude. I am also known as Success Coach Nilesh. I'm an author, investor, and executive coach. From past 10 plus years, I have worked with 50,000 professionals all across the world to improve in their career or improve in their businesses. And I know exactly what are the leadership skills are and what makes leaders or what creates the effective leaders. If you are one of them who is struggling to become an effective leader, or you want to improve your leadership skills, join us for this leadership masterclass. There are a couple of things you as an effective leader might be missing out. You don't know how to brand yourself. Probably you don't know how to network effectively. You probably don't know, how to negotiate, how to present yourself, how to become productive, and at the same time, how you can use your charisma as a powerful leadership tool. So in this leadership masterclass, we will help you to reveal some of the secrets by topmost leaders and how you can use those secrets just right away to improve your leadership skills. There are probably some of the mistakes you are doing. So you will understand what are the mistakes that you should stop doing and immediately start looking or keep your focus on the right things which will make biggest impact on your life. So this leadership masterclass is roughly around 60 to 90 minutes. You will also get a chance to ask some questions. So if you have any burning questions, feel free, come and ask your questions. We are here. If there is anything that is stopping you from becoming the leader or become the leader of your choice or become the leader that you always dreamt about, so come and join us for this leadership masterclass. We will help you to become the effective leader. See you soon. Bye.